So you might be having an issue with your specific iPhone, or for some reason the brightness is just not working that well, or maybe the brightness is just not adjusting, or whatever the case is. Now, if you can scroll down from the top right corner of your specific iPhone, you should be able to get into the Control Center. So I swipe down right there, you can get into Control Center. Now, the big thing you're going to have to do here is understand that this brightness toggle right there is pretty much the number one toggle that you're going to have to adjust. So if your brightness is for some reason not working under this toggle, it's happened a couple times, including for some of my devices. The big thing you're going to want to do is hold this toggle down and see if you can adjust the brightness here. Sometimes you might be able to, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. But other times you may not be able to, and that in and of itself is going to be its own problem. So you're pretty much just going to have to adjust that as you can. Now, if you can see, if I can go and hop out of here, the other thing in the other area where you can adjust your brightness is within your settings application. So make your way into your settings app just like this. You want to scroll down until you see display and brightness, which is right here. So tap into display and brightness. And what you're going to want to do here is you want to adjust your brightness within this specific panel right here. So where it says brightness right here, you can adjust this down or up. And that can be another way that you can pretty much go ahead and fix and adjust this problem in and of itself. Again, it's not a guarantee this will work either. If you have an aftermarket display, sometimes this thing might be missing as well, but that's another way to go and fix the problem. Now, on top of that, if that's still not working, you may want to have to go through and see if there's an update available for your iPhone. So make your way back into your iPhone settings right here. You want to scroll down until you see General, tap into General right there. You then want to go and click on Software Update, and you want to go and see if there is an update available for your iPhone. Chances are there might be an update available, and all you're going to have to do here is pretty much update your device, and that is another way that you can go ahead and fix this problem as well. If that's still not working, you can try restarting your phone, but those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.